It's round 5 of the 2019 Speedtown Comfort Heating and Cooling Tuesday Night Thunder at SIK. They come off the backstretch into 3 and 4. Jason Burgess is ready. Green flag in the air. We're racing here at SIK.
We got Clinton Boyles from the 5th spot all the way up to 3rd, and looks like 2nd before the first lap is over. Jason McDougall off the wall, and look, Dave Dusick running back to 5th here, Tony. Looks like he's struggling in the early on.
Yeah, maybe he's struggling right now, but he works the bottom groove through 1 and 2. He's worked his way back up to 3rd. He takes a look at Boyles for 2nd, and someone's going to have to call.
Oh, my God. Dave Dusick to the lead!
Wow.
Dusick to the lead!
I was going to say someone's going to have to call a chiropractor the way they're driving out there right now, but Dave Dusick doesn't want you to call anybody. He's your leader here in the A-Main.
Dusick's belts are coming loose. He about came out of the seat. Here we go. Logan Seavey passes a backslide job for the lead.
Wow, Dave Dusick held the lead for a couple laps. Now he battles with Clinton Boyle, your #1 plate holder, coming into the evening. Logan Seavey getting a little dancy down on the bottom. Boyles comes along for the ride. Boyles your leader, but Dusick wants it back.
Dusick looking on the inside. Oh! Dusick's all right. He gives the fans away.
He puts his hand up in the air to let him know that he's okay. Dusick is the meat in a very tough sandwich right now.
Seavey to the lead, got it. Here comes Wyndham, inside, 3 wide. Wyndham's got the lead.
Wyndham says thank you next as he picks up the lead and takes it away from Dusick and Boyles.
Oh my, here we go.
Oh man. Boy, Chris Wyndham putting on a show on the high side.
Tell you what, Josh Pacini has switched helmets here this evening. He's gone from the white Simpson to a Bell Carmen RS7. Hard to recognize him out there. It looks like he's going for the lighter weight for the help out here.
Willikers, they are getting all kinds of sideways out there as now, who's that leading, Jake? We got
Chris Wyndham in the double nickel, but don't look now. Here comes Pacini for the lead, and he's got it. Boyles to 2nd. Dave Dusick to the lead.
Dave Dusick's old pacemaker is going to go for a ride as Dusick picks up the first stage win of his career.
I tell you what, Dave Dusick with the first stage win. He's a little slow down. We're green.
Green flag in the air. Boyles working the inside line, and it's going to be McDougall who comes out ahead. McDougall's going to lead lap #1, or is he? They're 3 wide at the line.
We got Chris Wyndham in the wall off of turn 4. Not sure what happened there. The red flag out here.
Oh yeah, Wyndham parked on the exit of corner #4. Green flag waves, we're off and racing. Here in stage #2, boy, Boyles runs it way up high, but it's gonna be Pacini using the low lane to get away with the lead here.
Here comes Wyndham on the inside. Wyndham quick look up top, goes up top, but don't look now. Here comes Double D, Dave Dusick to the lead.
Boy, they were 3 wide. Seavey on the inside, Pacini on the outside, Boyles in the middle.
Oh my gosh, 3 wide into 1. McDougall to the lead, Pacini in 2nd, Seavey in 3rd.
Wow, are you not entertained as they all lock up and slide through corners 1 and 2. Now it's Wyndham back to the point as we complete another lap, but Boyles tries to throw a slider on him. Boy, Boyles was looking to his right the entire time to make sure he was clear. Now it's Wyndham in the middle, Wyndham to the front, but it's gonna be, who's that, Pacini trying to make something work. Seavey's got problems, Seavey's got problems.
Uh-oh. Dusick's waving to the fans, takes the lead, starts waving again. Here we go, Pacini back to the lead. McDougall in 2nd, Boyles in 3rd, oh my!
It is like putting a bunch of cats in a blender, Jake. They're going crazy out there right now.
I'll tell you what, I've never tried to herd cats, but if I tried, I bet it'd look a little something like this.
Clinton Boyles leads him around one more time, but Chris Wyndham has the inside line through 1, and Wyndham gets a big shot from Doogie, Jason McDougall. Normally McDougall's awkward on track, not tonight, he's killing it.
I'll tell you what, old Daryl's got that propeller on top there. He's absolutely ripping that extra propeller down for us. I think people are gonna be trying that next week here, Tony.
Trouble for Pacini as he's a bit off the pace. He runs 6th at the line. The yellow and checker waves for Clinton Boyles. Folks, get somewhere where you can see, because the final stage of the 5th A main event is about to go green. We're racing here at SIK. Boyles leads him out in 1 and 2. He's got the lead, but Chris Wyndham, boy, Logan Seavey just got turned into a legitimate real-life bobblehead.
I'll tell you what, I think Toyota's going to look into putting that kid on a bobblehead. He drives up fences, he wins national championships, and now he's a bobblehead, Tony.
Dave Dusick doing everything he can to get out of here with a respectable result. He's up to 6th position now, but fighting hard for 5th. It's a total logjam right there. 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th all over each other, because up front, it's 2 men trying to find out who's gonna stand on top. Boyles is your leader, Wyndham in 2nd.
I'll tell you what, you have the A-Main veteran, Clinton Boyles. Picked up the win last week, and you got the A-Main first-time starter, and Chris Wyndham in the double nickel. Chris is running him down, Tony. This is going to be a barn burner.
6 men enter, only 1 man can leave the winner here at TNT and SIK. Oh, Clinton Boyles with a little bit of a tick on that inside barrier. Chris Wyndham running really good laps. Josh Paccioni, I don't think that's legit. Says he ran a 4.5. I'm not sure about that.
If he ran 4 seconds, then I don't even know, Tony.
You need to be running at Indianapolis if you're running that quick.
He's going straight to the 500.
I'll tell you what, you know it's good action when Indy Lights driver Oliver Askew is doing it for the gram. He's getting some footage tonight.
Here we go. Chris Wyndham still reeling in Clinton Boyles here. He's fallen back to about a 2-cart length behind. But lap traffic with 5 to go. We're going to be we got Dave Dusick and Paccioni in the lap traffic here. Can Wyndham run him down?
You said it, Jake. Lap traffic is about to become a factor in this race as Paccioni and Dusick try to sort out 6th. How is Boyles going to deal with it? He gets around Paccioni. Now he clears Dusick. It's up to Wyndham to try and follow him, and he does. 2 to go at the line.
2 to go. Clinton Boyles, Chris Wyndham. Who can pull it out? Here's your white flag for Clinton Boyles.
7 days ago, Clinton Boyles picked up his first main event win. 7 days later, he does it again. Boyles wins round number 5.
Come on up, put your hands together. Your winner, Clinton Boyles. So Clint, come on over here to. I think it hit me in the mouth. Thanks, Rocky. So Clint, tell us about that drive.
That was pretty cool. First, I need to thank Chris Wyndham for not being a bad word and driving right through me, because he was definitely faster than me for the first few laps. And I need to thank Kevin Thomas Jr. for reminding me that I got a tribute to Tiger there right at the end. Tiger's the GOAT, and that's what it was all about. I need to thank Tim Walker, Real Estate and Investments, for coming on board and sponsoring us and making sure we have the funding we need to keep this kart fast all year long.
So Carson Elledge has the victory plaques here. She's going to step on over. Well, maybe. Carson Elledge isn't even listening, but let's give a plaque here to Clinton Boyles. There's his plaque. Carson Elledge was on standby, folks. How about 2nd place? Let's hear it for Chris Wyndham. So you showed up for the first time, week number 5, driving for USAC Racing 55, and here you go, podium in the A.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Thanks to USAC for asking me to do it, and you guys for putting this deal on. I ran Clint pretty hard there for a while, and then just couldn't get back to him at the end.
That's 2nd place, Chris Wyndham. Now to the 3rd spot. This is Jason McDougal. McDougal, another podium here tonight at TNT.
Yeah, nice consistent run all night, I guess.
So what do you think you're going to have to do in the off week or in your downtime before next week?
I think I need to put 3 propellers on, probably like 3 or 4, because I don't think one was doing it coming off of 2. But we put some more stickers on my helmet, but I just don't think it gave that little extra edge.